Guys, Miss Steele here. So our first read aloud is our nonfiction piece, and it is about Jackie Robinson, and it goes about his life and talks about him and the his number when he was in played in the majors was 42, and that happens to be Caden's number, and he is the reason Caden is number 42. So kind of personal little excitement in this one. But Jackie Robinson by Emma Haldy, illustrated by Jeff Bain. And remember, the author, the person who writes the word, that's Emma Haldy. The illustrator, they draw the pictures. Yeah. All right, so Jackie Robinson. My story. I was born in 1919. I had 4 brothers and sisters. We were raised by a single mom. When were you born? I was born a long time ago, but not that long ago, guys. So we're not answering that. I was good at sports. I played football. I played baseball. I briefly went to college. I served in the Army. So here's a picture of Jackie Robinson in his Army gear. I fell in love with Rachel Issam. We got married. We had 3 children. So there's Jackie Robinson, and there's his wife and their 3 kids. I was playing baseball professionally, but baseball was segregated. I could not play with white people. I could only play with black people. And he actually played for the Kansas City Monarchs at one point. Pretty cool. The owner of the Dodgers wanted to change things. He hired me. I became the first black player in the major leagues. I wore the number 42. So there he is. He was the African American player in the major league. So also very cool, history changing. Many people were mad. They yelled at me. They tried to scare me. They threw things at me. But I knew I had to be strong. I did not give up. I showed them I could play. And it just says, why do you think people were so mean? They just weren't very kind and didn't want to give him a chance. But he showed them he could play baseball, and he stayed strong and continued to be kind and not react. I won Rookie of the Year. I played for 9 more years. We won championships. We won a World Series. So there he is. I believe it's his Rookie of the Year picture. Baseball had integrated. There were no more black teams. There were no more white teams. I was proud. I had made an impact. And now this picture is not of Jackie Robinson. This is the current baseball players. Every year, there is a day that is Jackie Robinson Day in Major League Baseball, and every player on every single team wears the number 42 for Jackie Robinson. And the number is actually retired in Major League Baseball, and no one can wear it, other than on Jackie Robinson Day. So pretty cool little thing. I worked to help others until my death in 1972. I was a respected man. I overcame hate. I changed baseball forever. It says, what would you like to ask me? So in this timeline, this is when he was born, 1919, and then he got married, and in 1947 is when he entered Major League Baseball playing for the Dodgers. Very cool. Oh, and there's our glossary. There were some bigger ones in there. The championship is the final game. They were the overall winner for the entire season. Integrated means not separated by race altogether. Professional means he was getting paid. And segregated was when they were separated by race, when there was a team for white people and a team for black people. So that is our glossary. And we are finished. There are also tons more of these books that are biographies, autobiographies about other famous people and the things they've done. So very cool. But that is about Jackie Robinson. I hope you guys enjoyed.